So I just want to review this. I bought this chimney from Walmart. It was $15 Canadian plus tax. This is just the fire starter from dollar store. So I just break it into this. I will light fire and I will put this on top. Alright, and the coal I used is this Kingston original. So we will wait and let's see how long it takes to warm it up. This is after 1 minute. You can see a lot of smoke coming. So this is 10-minute mark. I put one extra of this in the bottom because the flame went out, and you can see it's just flaming hot. It is really hot, and we will wait 5 more minutes just to give it 15 more total minutes. So we'll see. So this is after 15-minute mark. You can see the flame on top and this red coal inside. No black smoke, so I will just pour it down. Good. This is nice. So I like this product. This is a good one. Makes life easy.